What's up, family? Black Guns and Gardens here. Hope all is well with everybody. Just out in the garden today, y'all. Just out in the garden today. I have something I want to share with the family. Oh yeah, I have something I want to share with the family. Check it out, fam. Check it out, fam. We have canned pineapples, y'all. Oh yeah, we have canned pineapples. Check it out, fam. Fam, just to recap on last week, our brother leadfarmer 73 offered up a challenge, y'all. Yeah, he offered up a pineapple canning challenge. And y'all know Black Guns loves a challenge. Oh yeah, I love a challenge, y'all. I never met a challenge I didn't want to conquer. So check it out, fam. We have canned pineapples. Oh yeah. Fam, I started out with about 12 pineapples. And after we canned them, I think we ended up with about 17 pints, y'all. Oh yeah, we ended up with about 17 pints of pineapples. Oh yeah. I'd like to take this opportunity just to thank Brother Led. Just want to thank Brother leadfarmer 73. He's always teaching y'all. He's always sharing his knowledge, his skills, his abilities. And it's much appreciated. Oh yeah, it's much appreciated, y'all. That's all I have, fam. That's all I have. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out.